they pick you up on Koh Lipe Island, like whatever you are in the island, and then they like bring you to this boat and they go and take you to this place where you can take pictures of the sunset. But sadly, like it's kind of like let me show you the other side. It's kind of like cloudy. It might rain, kind of cloudy. Like we also got like complimentary drinks. We're getting like a snack or something.
Rain.
Huh?
It's like someone just get on and like, oh my god.
And what?
Just like stay in there, like control go anywhere, like 20 minutes and Shane.
Oh my god. Yeah. I'm not sure what he said, but I think the whole thing lasts about like when we get to the point where we're supposed to go. I think it lasts like about 20 minutes, and then we come back. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Oh shoot! I drink my blue drink thingy too fast. But okay. Anyway. So yeah, like you go around all the islands. They're supposed to be like so you can take beautiful pictures of yourself in the sunset. But as I was saying, it's cloudy. And I think we like set off like we started this trip like a little bit too late. So I think maybe that's why. But it's pretty cloudy nevertheless. As you can see, where is the sun? Donde está el sol? But anyway,
What?
I like. He's trying to hide. You cannot hide from me, boy. Anyway, so we'll see. It's actually a really cool place. I think it was $790 per person. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's about the price. I think it was in a discount. It was like 2,000 or 1,000 something. We got it on a discount, I think. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna ask and I will share the details with you guys. This is called the Marine Voyage. I like. Oh,
Wait, no. Where's did you wish? Where?
Oh, yeah.
No, move.
Move what? I like. Yeah.
Oi.
Oh, it's alive. It's not dead. Oh,
there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day.
You is the best teacher.
How we watch things we kids walk away.
Fish. Fish. Any last words?
Let's stay.
Any last words?
Last word. I'm lost for words.
Goodness, that's a first.
I just don't wanna care. Can you be here?
5, 4, 3. That's it? Nothing? No
Be right
words?
back. Be right back. Be right back in reincarnation. Be right back.
Goodness gracious.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly